Hey guys, so before I start this video, I just want to say sorry for not uploading. I've been busy recently, so I had no time to make any videos, so yeah. But anyways, this is going to be the first startup of my Coleman of 2026. Alright, set this on here, and I'll go kick it on. Of 2026. That line's getting cold. Nope, it's not getting yeah. It's about like 64 degrees outside right now. Yep. There she is. Yes. Completely windy outside right now, so the airflow is not that great.